I got bit by a dog, so they gave me a shot. It was a cry for help, but now it's not something we can talk about. Oh no. Now I'm watching my back when I go for a run. They said it must have been something that I'd done to make him want a piece of me. Look inside, you'll see it's true. such a natural thing to do. I've gotta put this God-given body to use. Gotta hurry up and make peace with what I choose.